Good morning, children. How are you all? I think all of you are fine. Today, we are going to study about national festivals. So, let's start our topic.
National festivals.
What are you doing? What is this? We are making a flag for Independence Day. Independence Day? When is that?
It is on 15th August.
What is Independence Day?
Our country, India, became a free country on 15th August. So, we celebrate it as Independence Day.
Grandma, will you make a sweet on Independence Day?
Yes, I will. We are all very happy.
Buzz, look at this. I made a small flag for you. Even I am happy. Independence Day, Independence Day.
Buzz, we celebrate Republic Day also.
When is that? It is on 26th January.
Buzz, did you know there is a special day for us also?
What is that?
Children's Day. We celebrate it on 14th November.
Why on that day?
Buzz, it is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He was our first Prime Minister. He loved children a lot. Children also loved him a lot.
That is why we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. We get sweets in our school on Children's Day.
I will also come to your school on Children's Day. I will also get sweets. Will the teacher give me sweets?
Yes, Buzz. Our teacher is very nice. She will give sweets to you also. We all like her a lot. Did you know that even teachers have a special day?
Teacher's Day? When is it?
It is on 5th September.
Why on 5th September?
Buzz, it is Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday. He was the president of our country. He was a great teacher also. So, we celebrate his birthday as Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day? That's good. A special day for teachers.
Yes, Buzz. We should always love and respect our teachers.
Grandma, who is this?
Buzz, don't you know him? Grandma, he doesn't know Mahatma Gandhi. Chinu, don't tease Buzz.
Who is Mahatma Gandhi?
Buzz, Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of our nation. He helped our country become free. He was a very good man. He said we should never fight.
Yes, Grandma, it is not good to fight with anyone.
Good, Minu. We celebrate his birthday as Gandhi Jayanti.
When is his birthday?
2nd October is his birthday. So we celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti.
Oh, 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti.
See, we have so many special days for teachers, for children.
Our Independence Day, Republic Day,
And Gandhi Jayanti also. Chinu, can I also help you make a flag?
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. When is Independence Day celebrated? August 15th. What happened on Independence Day? India became a free country. When is Republic Day celebrated? January 26th. When is Children's Day celebrated? November 14th. Whose birthday is on 14th November? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? He was the first Prime Minister of India. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? Fifth September. Whose birthday is on 5th September? Dr. Radhakrishnan. Who was Dr. Radhakrishnan? He was the second president of India. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? He is the father of our nation. When is his birthday? Second October.
So, today we talk about national festivals. I think you all have enjoyed this lesson. Today you learn about different types of national festivals. I think that you all have understand all about national festivals. So children, bye and take care all of you.